Hello everyone, my name is Nur Ramadhani, my NPM 060. Today I will present about speaking in the EA era, especially focusing on the use of EA English language learned in schools and college. In this presentation, I will explain how EA helps students learn English, the benefits, the college, and how we can use it wisely. Okay, the first slide. What is EA? The first, artificial intelligence or EA. The second, technology that mimics human thinking. And the example, ChatGPT, Duolingo, and Google Translate. Okay, first let's talk about what artificial intelligence or AI actually is. EA is a technology that is designed to mimic human intelligence. This means EA can think, learn, solve problems, and even communicate like humans. For example, EA can understand questions, give answers, and even have conversation with us. Today, many applications use EA such as ChatGPT, Duolingo, and Google Translate. These tools help students learn language more easily, quickly, and interactive because of EA learning is no longer limited to classrooms. Okay, the next slide. EA in English learning. The first, help speaking, writing, listening. The second, available anytime. And the last, interactive learning. Now, let's see how EA is used English learning. EA helps students improve different language skills such as speaking, writing, listening, and even reading. For speaking, students can practice conversation with EA anytime. For writing, EA can check grammar and give suggestions. For listening, EA can provide audio exercise and pronunciation practice. One important advantage is that EA is available 24 hours a day. Students don't have to wait for teacher or class. Also, learning becomes more interactive instead of just reading books. Students can interact directly with technology, which makes learning more learning and engaging. Okay, the next slide, benefits of EA. The first, personalized learning. The second, instant feedback. And the last, encourages confidence. There are several important benefits of using in English learning. The first, EA provides personalized learning. This means EA can adjust the material based on the student's level. If a student is a beginner, the system will give simple text. If the student is advanced, it will give more difficult challenges. The second, EA give instant feedback. When students make a mistake, EA can immediately correct them and explain the correct answer. This helps a student learn faster. The last, EA encourages confidence. Many students feel shy or afraid to speak English in front of others. With EA, they can practice privately without feeling embarrassed. This helps them become more confident over time. Example application of EA, the first, Duolingo. Duolingo uses a fun learning system called gamification. Students can earn points, unclock levels, and complete daily challenges. Because of this system, learning feels like playing a game instead of studying. Students are also encouraged to practice every day, even if only for a few minutes. This helps build consistency, which is very important in learning a language. Overall, Duolingo makes learning English more enjoyable and less stressful. The second example application of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, a student can practice a real conversation in English. For example, they can ask questions, discuss topic, or even simulate daily conversation. ChatGPT can also help students correct grammar mistakes, improve sentence structure, and explain difficult vocabulary. In addition, students can use it for writing text such as easy paragraph or excitement. Because of the flexibility, ChatGPT becomes like a personal tutor that is always available anytime. Okay, the next slide, challenges of EA. The first, over dependence. The second, less human interaction. And the last, actuary issue. However, EA also has some challenges that we need to consider. First, overdependence. Students may tally too much on EA and stop thinking independently. This can reduce their critical thinking skills. Second, less human interaction. Learning with EA means students may have fewer opportunities to communicate with teachers and classmates. This can affect their social and communication skills. Third, accuracy issue. Although EA is smart, it is not always correct. Sometimes it gives wrong or unclear answer. That is why students must be careful and not fully trust everything. So EA is helpful, but it must be used wisely. Okay, the next slide, role of teachers. The first, quit students. The second, combine EA and traditional learning. And the last, build critical thinking. Even though EA is advanced, teachers still play a very important role. Teachers guide students on how to use EA properly and responsibly. They help students understand when to use EA and when to think independently. Teachers also combine EA with traditional learning methods such as discussion, group work, and classroom activities. Most importantly, teachers help students develop critical thinking skills. Students should not just accept answers from EA, but also analyze and question them. So EA cannot replace teachers, but it can support them. Okay, the next slide, feature EA. The first, more advanced EA. The second, smarter education system. And the last, creative students. Looking into the future, EA will become even more advanced. Education system will become smarter, more flexible, and more personalized. Students will be able to learn anytime and anywhere using technology that adapts to their needs. In the future, students are expected to become more creative, independent, and creative learners. However, balance is still important. Technology should support learning, not replace human interaction completely. Okay, the last slide, conclusion. In conclusion, EA is powerful tool for learning English. It helps students learn faster, easier, and more effectively. However, we must use it wisely and not depend on it too much. It used properly, EA can support better education for the future generation. Okay, I think enough this presentation. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching.